DDP Excel revision, freezing panes. When we're working with long lists of data, or sometimes data that goes way across your spreadsheet in the rows, it's much easier to freeze the panes so that we can always see the headers. So in this case it would be name, job title, etc. And if we were going far across the spreadsheet, we would always want to see the name of the person that we're working with. So to do this, we need to position the cursor in the right place. So when we freeze a pane, it'll always freeze the row above where you are at the moment. So in this case, the row above is 1, and then the column to the left. So in this case, column A. So we'll always see the name, we'll always see the headers. Going to go to View, Freeze Panes. In this case, we're going to choose to freeze the top row and the left column. You could only choose to freeze top or the first column, but in this case, let's do both. And you'll see that now a gray line has appeared here and here. And as I scroll down, no matter how far I go, even when I'm at row 100, I can always see the top row. And if I go further over, you'll see that I can no longer see the data in B, C, and etc., but I can always see the names here in column A.